using the fire pit at Heavenly Trebolo. This is a very beautifully positioned fire pit. As you can see right there is Lorenzi Winery. Very beautiful winery. You're going to overlook that. So to use the fire pit, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the lid. You'll return that when you're done. So that lid comes off. Next, you're going to open the doors to the gas can. So you'll pull the door back. You'll notice there's a gas can in there. The gas is currently off. So make sure that you turn the gas on by going righty-tighty, loosey-lefty, right? So you want to make sure that the gas is on. So I've turned the gas on. And of course that you have gas, and you can just feel that there's quite a bit of gas here. It's pretty heavy. You'll notice the switch on, switch off mechanism. Notice how that pushes in. Okay, that's very important because that's going to activate the Venturi, which gives you gas even while this is not warm. It's kind of like a carburetor. You have to warm it up. So you push in and you turn it to on. You'll hear the clicking sound. If you don't see flame, we currently have flame, then you have to redo that. Hold it for 40 seconds, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 5, and so on. When you reach 40 seconds, you can release it and now turn to whatever temperature you want. So make sure that you hold it in for as long as you can hold it in. Okay? Now to turn it off, you simply come in again and you push and turn it off. Again, close the gas behind you. Close the doors. And ultimately, go ahead and put the lid back on once it's cooled. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@calivrbo.com or call us at 866-322-5487.